maraming nagsasabi na pinagkakakitaan lang tayo ng insurance company eh. Totoo ba? Yes, kumikita sila from lapse or discontinued policies kasi kapag hindi mo tinuloy, wala silang kailangan ibalik sa yung benefit. Pero yan ba yung main business ng insurance companies? Hindi. Insurance companies do earn when clients let their policies lapse or surrender early kasi hindi na nila kailangang i-fulfill yung full benefits. This is part of how they manage risks and keep premiums affordable. The main purpose talaga ng business of insurance companies isn't to profit from lapse policies. Actually, it's risk pooling. Premium na binabayad ng mga policyholder, sila yung nagfa-fund ng claim of the few who actually need them. So, the real goal is sustainability, not just kumita from the lapses. Kasi insurance works like this. Thousands of people pay premiums and yung fund na yon pinagsasama-sama. So, doon kinukuha yung pambayad sa mga nagkakasakit, naaaksidente, or namamatay ng breadwinner. So, kung consistent ka, ikaw at ang pamilya mo ang talagang panalo. Kasi kung mag-lapse yung policy mo, ito naman yung talo. Kaya ang sekreto, don't just buy insurance. Keep it active. And message my social media accounts kung gusto mong i-review natin yung policies nyo para siguradong hindi masasayang yung mga binayad mo. Bye!